Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by listing deliverables and immediately breaking them into actionable tasks. Don't overplan. Keep 1-2 day granularity where practical. Next, set realistic durations and start dates so the timeline forms. Once done, mark milestones as 0-day tasks to anchor the plan and link dependencies using finish to start or start to start relationships to reflect real sequencing. Make sure to establish a quick rough baseline so you can compare progress against the original plan as you move forward. You now assign resources and enter effort estimates, hours per day or per week, making sure to account for availability and conflicts. Then calculate the critical path to reveal tasks that drive the finish date. Once visible, optimize long lead and high-impact tasks first. At this stage, set a formal baseline and add contingency buffers of about 10–20% for risky work. Once done, update linked tasks when shifting one item so the chart recalculates and avoids hidden schedule collisions. You finish by tracking percent complete on a regular cadence and updating actual start and finish dates plus hours spent so the Gantt stays truthful. Once updated, export a PDF or CSV and share with stakeholders, then lock the approved baseline for comparisons. If things go wrong, resequence dependent tasks or apply resource leveling to smooth workloads. This fixes many drift issues. Make sure to communicate any baseline changes and capture rationale so stakeholders understand trade-offs and next steps.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.